see, there's lots. There's the breed air. There's a warning for Greenberg County, which got struck by a tornado one time and almost another time, and there's a tornado warning there right now, and there's lots of stuff going around, like the breeze falling right there, I told you again, and see the top funnel where everything falls down, and inside it, and it'll form off in a minute, and watch this. Look, it's gone now, and then another tornado is spinning down from the sky. Man, another tornado is spinning. See how goofy the bottom looks when it's starting, and all the debris starts coming up, and that's how tornadoes form and stuff. And the movie's done. Bye bye.